Welcome to another episode of Birdies and Bays. Joining with us today are three players, si Master Kendrick Nang, si June Golfer, Blair Uy King, and Architect Kesri Nang. The format we will play today is best ball, boys versus girls. Who will prevail?
So lose gyapon tahan.
Lus-lus gyapon.
What do you mean by that?
Bombahe!
Okay lang.
Pagyod o kung
Ligid
paglati.
pa na. Patay out drive.
Da! Na, wala po.
Okay. Wow.
Grabe kuya, wow. Ginaon sa mana. Sobra dyan ka left. Tayo na. Hello?
Ay, wa man na sa pool. Boys will win. Boys. Hala. Oh,
Very good,
grabe.
Blair.
Why is a 13-year-old so bully?
Pitching. Layo ayo.
Aray ko!
Oh
Gago.
no! Patay! No!
Yeah, try mo Blair. Try it. Kusog.
Uy, kusugoy.
Mapit kang tanawag tarong ha, kaya akong sudlon. Tanawag tarong. Ah! Tanawa!
Best ball, Juday.
Tanawa?
Girls prevailed. So, distance doesn't matter. Although, layo mo nga po ng distance ni Blair. Hi!